Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So today I've got something new to show you. This has been sent to me. It's a new company called Foodie Cosmetics, and I got the Pizza Slicelette. So as you can see, it came in this box, says fresh pizza delivery. I thought it was so cute. Inside you have a menu. So they basically have, I think, four different slices of pizza, and they have all different colors. I thought they would have sent me, I wish they would have sent me all four, but they've sent me just one slice. So on the menu you have pizza diet, and that's the one that I have. Then you've got pizza and chili, pizza party, and pizza pizza belly. So what it says about it: the Pizza Slicelette is compact enough to be held with one hand comfortably and contains extremely silky and creamy texture shades to give a light and natural payoff. It's created with very versatile texture and is enriched with apricot oil for emollient properties. Contains a LACROIX for perfect skin adhesion and bendability, thus offering a smooth and silky high pigment touch. Contains vitamin E and vitamin A, providing active antioxidant properties for a healthy look. Contains beeswax for protective action. Paraben-free, gluten-free, vegan. I don't think if it's got beeswax in it, that's vegan. It says that it's best applied first with fingers, then using your favorite eyeshadow brush to blend. Okay, so I think it's a very, very cute idea. I was really chuckling to myself when I saw this. So this is my slice of pizza. It's got a mirror here as well, and this is pretty natural browns, and in here I've got oregano, then sauteed mushrooms, ricotta, mozzarella, and prosciutto. And let me have a look. I think so. You've got 6 eyeshadows, 5 of them are matte and 1 is shimmery. So another good little palette for your all matte look. Let me swatch them. They do feel very silky and nice pigmentation. So that's the oregano. This is like a very cool brown. Sauteed mushroom. Then prosciutto. Lovely warmish brown. And this grey one is, oh, I didn't, capicola, whatever that means. It's like a grey, yeah, it's proper grey. Not my favorite. And then let's have a look at those light ones. This is almost white, like an off-white. That's mozzarella. And the shimmery one is ricotta. It's a bit stiff, but it's like a champagne color. And that's the ricotta. So I thought we try to do a look with this palette. I might also use some of my new Sonia G brushes that I have bought. I have the Blender Pro. I've got 2 of those because I've heard that these ones are the best. And then I have the Werka too. So let's put the mozzarella on all over first with the Werka too. Oh, pigmented. You know, when I was swatching them, the swatches, that's the thing, hand swatches mean nothing. You can have an eyeshadow that swatches beautifully on a hand, but on your eye it's no good, and vice versa. So this is quite pigmented. I'm just gonna lightly put it all over my eye. Maybe we'll do just a matte look. I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to look too white. Okay, I think next I will take the sauteed mushrooms on Sonia G Blending Pro. I don't know why they would say apply it with your fingers. The brush is lovely, by the way. The brush is a dream. Suppose you could do a lot with this brush. You can use it just in a crease, you can use it to blend it. So this is like a mustardy brown. They blend quite nicely, you know, these eyeshadows. I wish I could have seen all the other palettes as well. But I suppose this one is a very good to start with. I have no clue how much they are. I will find the website and I will put it in the description box. But I suppose this is a good one to start with because it's very neutral, everyday brown look. And now I think I'm going to take the prosciutto. I will do it with the same brush and maybe put it more in my crease. Not a, you know, like crazy pigmentation, but good enough. They don't seem to have much fallout, although when I go into a pan it's a bit powdery. Tap your brush off, but they are very, very buildable. Feel very smooth. I wonder how much this palette is. Not so good when you drop your hood down. Need to go higher here. Okay. They look really, really smooth on the eye. Okay, I'm going to take now Louise Young Y38B and I'm going to go into Oregano. I know you say it differently in America. Oregano or something like that. And I'm just going to tuck it right in a crease because this is much darker. This palette overall is quite cool. You're not going to get very warm look out of it. The warmest one is prosciutto, but still. So if you're into your cool browns, that's really good. You know, this white color, mozzarella, was so pigmented, but it could be the Sonia G brush because they pick up so much more product. They are amazing. Might have to get more of her brushes. Okay, what else? Shall I try to put the ricotta, which is that shimmery one? Obviously, as you can see, you don't have to, but I want to see how. Okay, it's not too shimmery, very pretty. With my finger, yeah, it's got very, very slight shimmer, but I am quite surprised how smooth these eyeshadows look, honestly. Let's see what will happen if I pick it up with the Wear Cut tool. Yeah, I think you probably get a bit more payoff with your finger with that shimmery one. But again, can you see this is not like your foiled eyeshadow, it just has very, very gentle shimmer. So you could almost class it as all matte look. I'm going to take the tapered eyeshadow brush from Bare Minerals, and I will go to Oregano and work it in my outer corner. Yeah, this is quite like a grey shadow with maybe a hint of brown in it. Like a very cool brown. I'm going to go back into prosciutto and maybe warm it up a bit. Now that it's not really warming it up. But this is so pretty, honestly. I am gobsmacked. I will zoom you in later to show you how smooth they look. You know, normally a lot of eyeshadows, especially I suppose the shimmery ones, emphasize the texture on your eyes and all the wrinkly skin and loose skin. This looks so smooth. Okay, I'm going to put the Oregano, which is the grey one. That's a bit of fallout. Just on my lower lash line. Tap it off. And then I will blend it out with prosciutto, which was that warmer brown. Let's put a bit of ricotta, that shimmery one, just under here. This is really, really pretty look. Let me zoom you in just to show you the eyeshadows close up. Okay, I hope you can see how smooth they look. Really, really pretty. I will put mascara on now using my Nars Climax. Okay, eyes done. I think this is really, really nice, natural look. And I'm very, very surprised with these eyeshadows. I'm not going to put any lipstick on because it's very natural look, I think. I'm going to use just, I already have a bit of it on. This is the Pat McGrath gloss in Pale Fire Nectar. This came in like a pack of 3. I think the whole idea is cute. I love the palette for travel, really, really small. And the eyeshadows surprised me quite a bit. They are good enough, but that depending on the price as well. We'll see what the price of it is. Okay, my lovelies, so that was Pizza Slicelette from Foodie Cosmetics. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.